Prescription Drug Plans, Insurance, and Medicare. Chapter 1. Ways to get cheaper prescription drugs. Prescription drug discount cards and membership plans. Most of these cards are advertised as free cards that give you discounts when you buy drugs. I've seen county governments, non-profit organizations, and churches hand out drug discount cards. ConsumerReports.org, Consumer Reports, Pitfalls of Health Discount Cards. AARPHealthcare.com, AARP Healthcare Options Pharmacy Savings Services. benefithouse.com/free_prescription_card/default.html. cms.hhs.gov/medicare-e-form/drug card, Medicare approved prescription drug discount card program. countrxcard.com, dprxcard.com, drugcardamerica.com, freediscountprescriptioncards.com, freediscountprescriptioncards.org, freedrugcard.us, freemedicinefoundation.com, freepharmacyplan.org, freeprescriptiondrugcard.com, freerxdiscountcards.com, gsk.com, GlaxoSmithKline Orange Card, assists low-income seniors who have no prescription coverage. mx3entertainment.com, Pharmacy Card. myfreepharmacycard.com, peoplesrxcard.com, People's Prescription Plan. Pfizer.com, Pfizer Share Card Program, Pfizer prescriptions, to low-income seniors. ReduceDrugPrices.org, rxdrugcard.com, superrxcard.com, themedicineprogram.com, unarxcard.com, wellrxcard.com, Wellrx Discount Prescription Drug Program, yourrxcard.com. Medicare Part D/Prescription Drug Insurance. If you're covered by Medicare, go to Medicare Part D to read about prescription drug insurance. Medicare.gov, hhs.gov, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid. afscme.org/retirees/1726.cfm, Part D Medicare Prescription Drug Plan. sterlingplans.com, mutualofomaha.com/Medicare-PA-RTD. Drug insurance info at verywellhealth.com/health-insurance-40147113. Look for articles. Prescription drug insurance info. If you have a chronic illness, more than likely it will be excluded from your health insurance policy, so you'll be paying for specific disease insurance. But if you're not really sick, you'll pay for the prescription drug insurance, then a $10 to $20 deductible for your occasional use of drugs, so it's not really worth it if you don't use much drugs. bellaonline.com/article/art52088.asp. aceaccidentanhealth.com, look for prescription drug insurance. bellaonline.com/subjects/6266.asp. capitalinvestmentadvisor.com, list of insurance companies. elderweb.com, look up prescription drug insurance. familydoctor.org/online/famdiosin/home/pat-advocacy/insurance/prescription.html. freemedicinefoundation.com, insurancefinder.com/health-insurance/rx prescription drugs.html. peopleschoicerx.com.